Show changes in Excel revolutionizes the collaboration experience for one main reason. If you pour days and detail into the perfect Excel workbook, you may hesitate before sharing editing permissions with others, and you can't have collaboration without sharing. Now, with Show Changes, you have the safety net of knowing that any changes done by others are being tracked for the entire workbook, down to a single cell. Let me show you what I mean. I have a workbook here with sales data. There are multiple people contributing to this workbook, and I want to see what edits have been made to the workbook and what kind of data they are entering. I go up to the Review tab and click Show Changes. This opens the Changes pane on the right, where I can now start to see details of all the recent changes to this workbook. I can see who made edits, exactly where in the workbook, when, and what they changed. So for example, I can see that Nestor changed the value in cell G7 from 21,000 to 17,000. Or here in H5, there used to be a formula, which Pradeep has overwritten with a plain number. I can change this back to the formula if needed. We can also see bulk edits that were made at once. So for example, over here on the right, these 7 cells contained some formulas I was working with, and it was overwritten by Megan. You can see the bulk edits showing up as this list within the change card. Let's say I don't want to see all the changes that have been made to a workbook. I just need to quickly inspect a specific area. I can select any sheet, range, or individual cell to get a narrowed down view of the changes that were made. So I'll select column G here, and then I can right-click on this selection and click Show Changes. Now I can see the changes that were made just to this column. I can even narrow it down further if I want. I can select an individual cell and see the history of changes that were made just to this single cell. I also have the option to filter my list of changes from within the Changes pane itself. So when I click this filter icon, I can specify a sheet or range from here. Show Changes also tracks changes as they're happening. So Pradeep changed the value in this cell. You'll see this green notification pill shows up immediately, letting me know there are new changes to the workbook. When I click on it, I can see the change he just made to the cell documented here. If you're scrolling through the list of changes trying to look at something while your colleague is editing the workbook, it could be distracting to have new cards populating the list automatically. Instead, the notification allows you to control when you want to see the refreshed list. We believe Show Changes is a significant step in the collaboration experience in Excel. With Show Changes, you can now have confidence in sharing your workbooks with others, knowing that their changes are being tracked for the workbook, down to the cell level across any endpoint: desktop, Mac, iPad, iOS, and Android. So you have the tools and information you need when you need it. We encourage you to take the leap and go for it. Share those workbooks and try out Show Changes in Excel for the web today.